Hello friends, in previous video we had seen question number 1 to 6. Now we solve question number 7. Ram, Rahim and Isu are partners of a partnership firm. Their capital as on 1/4/2016 was rupees 60,000, rupees 40,000 and rupees 50,000 respectively. After the distribution of the profit of the year, it was realized that charging of 6% interest on partners capital account was missed out. Write an entry of the rectification of error. First step, particular, then partner's name Ram, Rahim and Isu. Interest on capital, this is 6%. And second point, changing of interest on capital. Here profit sharing ratio is not given, it will be distributed in equal ratio. There are three partners, Ram, Rahim, Isu, so 1 1. Okay. Ram capital is 60,000 into 6%, 3,600. Then Rahim's capital is 40,000 into 6%, 2,400. And last, Isu profit is 50,000 into 6%, 3,000. Okay. Ram's profit is here 3,600. Rahim's profit is 2,400 and Isu profit is 3,000. Total profit is 9,000. See, here profit sharing ratio is not given, so that amount will be distributed in equal ratio. There are three partners, 9,000 divided by 3 means 3,000 and 3,000. Interest on capital will be indicated with plus sign. And changing of interest indicate with minus sign. Plus minus, bigger number is 600, so plus 600, plus minus 600, bigger number is 3,000, so here minus and here 0. Here Ram's capital is plus 600 and Rahim's capital is here minus 600, which means Ram's amount will be credited and Rahim's amount will be debited. Okay, so journal entry, Rahim's capital account debit to Ram's capital account 600 rupees and 600 rupees. Okay. Now question number 8. Lata, Geeta and Parveena are partners of a partnership firm. After distribution of profit of the year, it was realized that charging of interest on partners drawing account respectively rupees 2,700, rupees 1,200 and 1,500 was missed out. Write an entry for the rectification of error. Step 1, make format, particular, partner's name, first Lata, second Geeta and Pravina. Okay. See here. After deduction of profit of the year, it was realized that changing of interest on partners drawing account, which means increase in profit. Which means increase in profit of partners. Profit ratio is not given, so it will be distributed in equal ratio, 1:1. And second point, interest on partners drawing account. Interest on drawing. Interest on drawings. Lata's drawing is, Lata's drawing is here 2700, Geeta's drawing is 1200, and Parveena's drawing is 1500. 2700, 1200 and 1500. Total amount is 5400. Profits ratio is not given here, so it will be distributed in equal ratio. Divided by 3. 1800, 1800, 1800 and 1800. That amount indicated with plus sign, and interest on drawing is 2700, thus 1200 and Parveena's 1500. Interest on drawing indicate with minus sign. Plus minus minus, minus 900, minus plus 600 and plus 300. Lata's amount is here minus, it will be debited, and Geeta and Pravina amount will be credited. Lata's capital account debit to Geeta's capital account to Parveena's capital account. Geeta amount is here 900. Lata's amount is here 900. Geeta amount 600 and Parveena's is